Going on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about sharpening the Spyderco Southern in CTS 204P. I'm going to grab our Edge Pro Diamond Stones. It's kind of my go-to. They're reliable. They're not real expensive. They're about 20 bucks, 25 bucks. They last quite a while. The ones that I've had over a year, and they're still doing good. Grab our Sharpie. Mark the bevel. Grab the Edge Pro Fine Diamond Stone. Sorry about the clothes. Just got out of work. Still have my painting clothes on. I just wanted to get right to this for you guys. And it looks like we're a little too high, so I'm going to lower it. And I'm pretty sure that's perfect. Yeah, that's the money shot. So see if I could bring you guys in just to show you what the edge is looking like. So there you can see the Sharpie is all gone. And oh, maybe I'll keep you guys there. All right. Alright, let's go to the other side. I started to sharpen this yesterday, and I got this Southern on the secondary market, and whoever put the edge on before me, he raised the angle too high up here, and changed the angle of like what it should have been. Like, this is pretty low that it's at right now, and he ended up widening the tip, which is okay in some cases. Usually a wider tip means it's going to be a lower angle, but in this case it was uneven, and the way that he did it, it just wasn't beneficial to the knife. It kind of, the tip wasn't cutting the way it should have, the way that it should have. Like, I'm pretty sure he freehanded it, or did it with like a wicked edge where you can get a really low angle. But it almost looked like he definitely rounded over the tip. There's no question about that. So I started to sharpen it yesterday, and I was gonna take you guys along, and I started to shoot the film, and the file got corrupted. So either way, it ended up working out for the best, just because the tip will be straightened out now. There's still going to be a little bit of a bevel change, but you know, it's just aesthetics at this point. I'm just glad that the edge is going to be good, and it will have a sharp tip. And that should be the end of it. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the Sharpen 1000. Now this, I am gonna have to bring the angle up a little bit because it is thicker than the diamond stones. So I will grab my angle finder. That's our mark. Okay. And let's go to town. So, Chapter 1000 actually cuts CTS 204P fairly easily. I was surprised. I thought 204P was going to be a little bit harder to cut. I was definitely surprised to see that it polishes this nicely. We'll take the shafting glass 1K off, and we're going to go to the Edge Pro Diamond Matrix Stone. Alright, now we're rocking and rolling. So, this is the Edge Pro 4000 Diamond Matrix. So, yeah, and this thing has a nice mirror polish right now. So I think I am going to pull out the Chosera 10K. Just going to check the angle. And again, we'll just put a little bit of Sharpie. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I have gotten a couple more subscribers. I want to say thank you to you guys. It's really cool to see that, you know, I've still got just a handful, but everyone counts. And you know, I don't really care how many subscribers I have. I'm still gonna make videos. For me, it's fun. It's kind of just something that I want to, you know, it sounds cliche, like give back to the community, but I've been in the straight razor community for quite a while, and you know, like in the background, I haven't made videos and stuff. If any of you guys are interested in straight razors or stones and you want videos, just throw it in the comments, let me know. I'll do any videos you guys want when it comes to straight razors and strops and stuff. The straight razor community has been awesome. Everybody is really friendly. There's really like no jackasses in it. I mean, you always have your trolls, but the straight razor community, I have to say, is like one of the most helpful. The knife community is very similar too, but the straight razor community is one of the most helpful communities I've ever come across. You know, there's some people that they don't want to like give out certain secrets and this and that, but there's always somebody that figures out, you know, how some people do things. So I was actually talking to he was actually a customer of mine from a strop. His name is Justin, and he was saying, you know, we were talking about like different straight razor strops and stuff like that, and you know, there's one guy that he claims to know like knowledge that, you know, nobody else knows and this and that, and you know, there's a lot of like this, they think they're like a deity in the, you know, in the straight razor community, and it's it's frustrating because the new guys get intimidated, and people are afraid to speak their opinion. And you know, if that's you in the knife community, speak your opinion. You know, don't be afraid to ask questions or say what's on your mind. Unfortunately, there's assholes in every community. It's not just you know, straight razors and knives. All right. I think that's where I'm gonna end it with the Chaucer 10K, and you know, just for the hell of it, I'll hand strop this time. All right, and here I have a paddle strop. Alright, and just do a quick strop. Kind of awkward how I'm holding it just because of the camera. I'm trying to get the angle for you guys, but see if I can get this. So there you can see nice mirror polish. And do the infamous paper test. Oh yeah. That's it. Do a quick shave test, and it shaves. So, alright guys, that's it. This is Mike with I Heart Knives. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.